After you know this, you will never buy a phone case again. Cell phone sellers hide this secret from you, and they will be upset with me when I tell you. It is normal that when using the phone for a long time, the case that once was transparent begins to turn yellow. When you see that the color of the case of your phone begins to turn that color, do not throw it away. Today, I will teach you an incredible solution that will help you save the case of your phone, without spending almost anything and leaving it much more beautiful than it was at the beginning. And all this with just one ingredient. The first thing you should do is get a glass container. It is important that it is made of glass, since plastic containers are not suitable for this. The first thing we are going to need is a good piece of crepe paper. I don't know what they call it in your country, but this is very cheap and is easy to find in stationery stores. I chose the blue color because I like how it looks, but in your case, you can choose the color you prefer. Now I'm going to take some scissors and I'm going to cut half of this crepe paper. While I cut, I will place it inside the container. I would like to know from which country or city you are watching me, so I can send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Maria Ayala from Chile. Once the paper is cut, we will untangle them very well. The next thing will be to take water that is very hot and add a good amount that can cover the entire container. Now we take the cell phone case and submerge it well in the container. You should do this very carefully since the water will be hot. In my case, I will help myself with a spoon. Next, I will take a little more of the excess paper that I left aside, and I will also submerge it. I do this so that the color sticks even more. After this, we cover the bowl and let it rest for about 20 minutes. The result of this will surprise you a lot. The time has passed. I will proceed to remove the lid and remove the case from the container. Look at how great it looks. We have transformed the color of the case, giving it a new life. So that you can see that it is not ink and that this really works, I will take it to the sink and pour water from the key. As you could see, the water is very hot. I will take it to the sink and pour water from the key. As you could see, this is a permanent solution that will not be removed with anything. When you want to change the color again, you just have to do this again.